Swamiji, it is being said that the Kumbh, the Mahakumbh 2025 is special. How do you see this?
This digital Kumbh and divine Kumbh made not only the headlines but the heartlines also of people. Headlines in the news media, but heartline in the hearts of the devotees. It's really amazing. And I'm so proud of our Honorable Prime Minister of India. What a man. Under his direction and supervision also, because he takes care of very nitty-gritty things in such a detail that he knows that where everything should be. But people are people sometimes. They need a man who can get it done. Then here is a Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Manya Shri Yogi ji. I have seen him. Several ministers, the Chief Minister, the Prime Minister never came for the Kumbh Melas. If they came, they came just for a minute, few minutes, few hours and gone. And amazing guy, amazing Yogi ji, that in every week, almost every week, he was here. And sometime twice a week. 3 months, 3 months and 15 visits. Just imagine. So because of that, the taking consideration of in everything. If we have a marriage in our home, what do we do? The father, the mother can't even sleep. And this is a marriage of India. It's a spiritual marriage where people are coming from all over the world. Not from few places, few countries. Whole world is here. Can you imagine that people, just in 12 hours, on 13th, 15 million people. And now, yesterday, on 14th, more than 35 million people. People are amazed and stunned. My God, how these people can do it. I think if people have to learn event management, this is not an event, this is a mega event. It's a Maha event. People should come to Kumbh Mela and learn how to manage events. If you see the crowd, wow, I have seen from my naked eyes. We were there. Crowd ko dekho, to all that crowd managed in such a beautiful way. The event management, crowd management, safety management, whatever you do, whatever you see, you can see, yes, somebody is behind them. Somebody is working day and night. Mela Adhikari to all staff, wherever they are. Whole night they are awake, smiling faces, and anything you need, can I help you? This Mela really became the best Mela ever.
Swamiji, you will have to agree that there's a divine hand also managing these things.
There is a divine design and divine hands. When you look at India, मुझे लगता है कि भगवान ही इस कंट्री को चला रहे हैं. इतना सब कुछ होते हुए, if you see, the whole nation is being run by the divine. There's a divine design that people also go with the flow, things happen, and things happen in right manner. So again, I'm very happy. Not only me, not only our nation, people of our nation, but the people of international communities, because they are staying here in our camp. So many countries people are here, and they loved it. They said, wow, India can do it. No others. No other. Only India can do it. If there's a small event anywhere in the world, there's a chaos, there's a crime. But here, no chaos, no crime. Why? The people are full of devotion, and they are doing their duty with full piety and divinity. But anyway, thanks to the divine, thanks to the ministerial team, our Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Yogi ji and his entire team, I really welcome them and pray for them. They should stay healthy to save and serve our entire this beautiful divinity.
Swamiji, it is being said, like in mythological stories, that nectar, that kumbh, that pot of nectar the Devtas were after, Asurs were after, but ultimately the pilgrims who are coming here, they are also after that nectar, the elixir of immortality.
See that amazing, amazing people. What a faith people have. Their own sattu, their own gathadi, they are bringing. They don't care about vyavastha even. Where we will sleep, where we will eat, doesn't matter. Just one dip in the Sangam. This is the Sangam of our nation, has kept our nation together. God bless them, and I wish well for everybody, for the entire team and the Mela and our Honorable Prime Minister of India. He should stay well, healthy, and only then he can bring 3H program to this nation also. Health, happiness and harmony. And this I can see through the Sangam.
Swamiji, you have been after Green River, Clean Ganga Abhiyan, and you are doing the same here also. So what message you want to give to the pilgrims here?
I think we have worshipped the Creator for so long, we should take care of the creation now. We should. God is not going to be unhappy if you don't worship Him one day. But He's going to be very unhappy if you don't take care of the creation. Worship Him. We should worship Him, definitely. We kept worshiping Him. But at the same time, we should take care of our nature also. Our rivers, our water bodies, our forest. The nature of our future is future of our nature. Only depends. The nature of our future depends on the future of our nature. No nature, no future.
Absolutely. This time, there's a lot of enthusiasm amongst the youth, among women. They are overtaking menfolk in coming to Kumbh to take a dip into Holy River. Whether they have changing rooms or not, they don't care, but they want to immerse themselves.
They know that. They are not here for changing rooms. They are here for change themselves. They know that this dip will change me. They know that this dip will transform me. They have heard for ages. Now for their forefathers, parents, and everybody. Now the media, social media, everywhere. This budge is there. And they know and they believe in it. And that's why they're not worried about anything else. Yaar, kisi tarah se dubki lag jaye. Just one dip. Dip ke liye, they are ready to even walk for 20-25 kilometers also. But God, with the blessing of the divine and the management, people are not walking this 25 kilometers. Very nearby, they have made so many parkings that it made them so easy. Connectivity, if somebody is lost, that lost and found is immediately there. And 3,000 people first day were lost. But by evening, everybody was with their family. What a great thing. That's it. That's what we need.
Swamiji, the physicality of Mahakumbh, we all are looking at it. But what is the soul of Mahakumbh?
The soul of Mahakumbh is the people itself, the faith of the people. No faith, no souls. No faith, no Sangam. No faith, no Kumbh Mela. It's all about the faith. It's all about faith. It's not that somebody is giving them beautiful rooms or houses or this. They know that. It's okay. It works. Doesn't matter. What matters to them? Bas ek dip lag jaye. What matters to them? Just one dip. That's it. I could see yesterday when we were together, respected Jaya Kishori ji. She was with us. When we went there, पहले बहुत ठंडा लगा. उसके बाद 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 11 dubki, 11 dips. How? She said, who knows I will come or not again. कब आएंगे? They said this auspicious moment is coming after 144 years, maybe in 2170, around 170. मौका मिला है, you got the opportunity, take it, accept it. And she did it. That's what people are looking for.
Is there any transformation of energy, the cosmic energy coming into the individuals?
It's not only the energy, it's the synergy also is there. It's the vibrations, you feel it. You go in the water, you say, wow, beautiful, divine, superb. That's what people are feeling, not only of India, but people of international communities. They really are loving it. And we are coming back. People have come, they are going today, or some are gone, and they said, we are coming back. We are coming back. People sitting behind the borders also, they must also be thinking, yaar, kyun alag ho gaye? Achhe the, ek the. They must be thinking, what a India. Kya kamal ki azad to hum bhi hue the. 47 years, same time, same space, same time, same people. Only the names of the nations is different. They are thinking there have been somewhere some mistake. One day will come, who knows, Akhand Bharat will take shape, and again people are one, and we can create more peace, not the pieces.
Do you feel that this particular Mahakumbh is going to bring some transformation?
Definitely, I can see that. Can you imagine? First day, 15 million. Second day, 35 million. More than 35 million. And the days to come, you will see. Look at the Kashi, look at Ayodhya. Earlier, people were going to Taj Mahal, to Goa, to other places. Alone in Uttar Pradesh, almost 54 crore people have come, and look at the camera. Now you keep adding now 5 more crores, then Ayodhya, then Kashi, then other places. Now the Yogi ji has planned it under the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Modi ji, that let there be more places, let people enjoy this spirituality. And if they enjoy spirituality, they can have sustainability also. Without spirituality, there is no sustainability. This spirituality is what to explain to you. What is the difference between the greed and the need? People will become too greedy if there is no spirituality. And if they are too greedy, what will happen to the water bodies, to the nature? Will consume more, eat more, waste more. One day, all will be finished. That's why culture, nature, and future are very important. And this is our culture is coming to the Kumbh, being on the Kumbh. They are not coming here just for coming reason. This is not only the place to see even. It's not a show. It's not a shore. It's a shanti. In spite of even show and shore, there's a lot of show also. Everything is there. Chalta hai. But in spite of all that, what they are achieving? Peace. Peace. Nothing but peace.
Swamiji, the spiritual seeker, he comes here for some insight and he is definitely getting that divine light. But what about those people who just come for curiosity for once, just as a tourist? Because a lot of people are coming here only for the tourism.
Yeah, they just want to see the Naga Babas.
Yeah, people are people. We have millions of people, billions of people. Everybody has their own taste. No problem, nothing wrong here. After seeing the Naga Babas, unko lagta hai, yaar, why they are doing like this? How they are here? What is that? There must be something. They have left everything. Living with less and being more. Living with less. Small bhavuti, small kutia. In the kutia also 5, 6 are lying down. And still, whoever you ask, how are you? Mast hai, Bhole Baba ki jai. We are very happy, we are mast. How you can be mast? Living with less and being more. That's why. Suppose here they are happy because the Bhandara is there, everything is there. But in the jungle there is no door-to-door service. But they are happy. That's what we have to see. There is something. Otherwise, why Steve Jobs' wife is here? She must be thinking, here must be something. And she is looking for that thing. But fortunate will be that we can provide her that thing. Otherwise, it will happen that, oh no, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. उसको मिलना चाहिए वो, जिसके लिए वो आई है, वो भी हमारी जिम्मेदारी है.
Kumbh provides different images to the visitor. Is it the strength of the Sanatan Dharma that you're happy that one day 15 million people come, other day 35 million, and maybe some other day more people will be here, more pilgrims will be here. So do you think this is the strength of the Sanatan Dharma and now it is in the right direction?
If you ask me, is Sanatan, if the Sanatan is there, Manavta is there, humanity is there, they have seen it. Wherever there is no Sanatan, the chaos is there, the crimes are there, fighting with each other. That's why they are fighting with each other. And you have seen it. It's just in front of us, in front of our eyes. So that's why India is India's responsibility to cater in such a pure way that people say, wow, what a India. What an India. And what a great India. And that's what they are looking from through this Kumbh Mela. And we should provide them. We must provide them. This is our prime duty. And that must be understood by the holy ones also. The stay the holy one. In the spirituality, nothing goes in direction where you can become hanky-panky. You cannot become hanky-panky. You have to be straight. You have to be truth. Otherwise, you will break the faith of so many people. So this is our prime duty, to stay with the Maryada. That's what the Maryada Purushottam Ram is there. That's why we worship him. That's why we revere him. That's why since thousands and thousands of years, he's still there. People love him. Jai Gange.